Be there. First Bank is Tennessee's largest independently owned and operated community bank with more than $2 billion in assets. And it's been in business over 100 years. And reverse mortgages are insured by FHA and part of U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. So when your home equity outweighs your savings, it may be time to evaluate your options. Maybe it's time to look at reverse mortgage as a solution that you need. Call for the facts. Reverse mortgage, no obligation, and I will make house calls.
Yeah, and it's also called a home equity conversion mortgage. Sometimes people get confused about that name, reverse, and they get scared. And Pat talked in the first segment about some of the misconceptions, but find out.
And a great reason for reverse is it gives you access to your home equity without the burden of the monthly payments of a traditional mortgage. And those funds can be used for anything, meeting daily and monthly expenses, covering health care, remodeling or home repairs, consolidating credit debt, and refinancing your existing mortgage to a reverse mortgage without the monthly payment of a traditional mortgage. Use it to enjoy your retirement, travel, help your kids, grandkids, and watch them enjoy it while you're still alive to enjoy it with them.
Great point. Yeah.
Great tool for estate planning. So another reason to just get the review and see where you stand, see how far you are away from being able to do this. And you know, AARP tells us that 8,000 baby boomers turn 62 every day. We're the biggest group, and at 62, you should be looking into this. I should change his hands. I remain a resource for you and your heirs. Life happens and questions come up, so you will have an 800 number to a customer service account, but I'm also local and I'm here to help you with any of your needs. Just recently I had a client call me who did a loan with me 5 years ago and just wanted an update on the values in his area and what his options were. And he really is in good shape. We paid off a previous loan. He took a large sum of money at closing, and here 5 years later, he still has funds in his line of credit to use any time. And even though what's been spent on him is actually more than what his property is worth today, his line of credit is there and that's his to use. So the last thing I'd like you to remember is please think First Bank first for the last loan you'll ever need. And I'm Pat Smoot with First Bank Reverse Mortgages, and I make house calls.
Absolutely, and her text the word reverse for information on Pat and how she can help you analyze your situation and protect your golden years. 813-917-1894, 917-1894. She will drive to your home, sit with you, educate you. And if you're a younger person out there and you're looking out for maybe an older aunt or grandparent, mother, father, reach out and get this free consultation from Pat, 813-917-1894. And also, if you are a president of a HOA or a group or some type of a civic group, Pat would be a great speaker for you as well. So she can help you with that as well. So just text the word reverse and we'll get you in contact with Pat. We've got a couple minutes here. Any other words of advice and nuggets to leave our listeners?
Mortgage doesn't mean they get everything because money's left in their home for them to live the rest of their life without a payment. But it can be taken, some at closing, a line of credit, a term payment, which means pick a number of years, like you could with a life insurance policy, or for tenure. As long as they live, no matter what the value of the house is, their money will not run out if they take a 10-year payment. And they can live to be 110 and live in that house and still receive that same payment every month. So call to get your options. Let's see what we can do for you.